Here you go, mate. Dylan, Bud, this is your rod, mate. Your rod and your reel. It's on the second one of the day, and I'll tell you what, it still works. It's catching tuna, and this one's just popped out of the outrigger, and you can see the Lucker band on it right there, so it's still got probably another 20 or 30 metres to go.
The first run was big.
It was, and I'll tell you what, it sounded good.
I was looking at it thinking, is someone going to grab that? Because I don't want it, it's run out too much line.
Especially on the light gear.
Oh, that looks far too much like hard work for me.
It'll be good if it comes in the boat though, because
Well earned.
it'll be well earned, and it'll be a wonderful, it'll be awesome. I'll do my best, I promise. Oh, just another day out here at Portland. Beautiful weather, so nice and calm. It's been a beautiful day. Nice light winds, a little bit of a light northerly just breezing now. It's just a little bit chilly, but that's alright. We've probably had about a dozen tuna bites.
Yeah, everyone's got fish.
Yeah.
Everyone's pulled fish. We've got people that have pulled too many and they're tired. They've gone into retirement.
Too wasted.
So like bugger that, I've pulled enough.
Hasn't been to the gym enough lately. I'm too old for that stuff. Oh, this is good fun anyway. This is better than watching it on TV, even though it's a bit chilly. No, I know. I'm always complaining about the cold. Parts of my body stop working when it's cold. Yeah, like my fingers and my brain. Yeah, it's like a permanent ice cream headache.
I was trying to buy a beanie at Adelaide Airport yesterday, and the only place that was selling them was like the Australian made, and they're pure merino wool, and they're like $70. I thought, I'm not buying a beanie for $70 to go tuna fishing.
Nah.
So cold.
Oh, I could have found just a spare beanie in my car. I got... Oh, there you go.
Well, I haven't got cold though, because Eric's saying, oh, it's been really cold. It'll be warm. To me, I don't feel the cold much. This has been a lovely day.
Oh, you're lucky.
I'm not out rushing off this from the Antarctic Circle.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Siberian winters.
Siberia.
That's what won us the war.
You see a little bit of a flash of colour?
Not yet.
What won the war? Because nobody else could resist the cold.
The German soldiers couldn't handle the Russian winter.
Really?
Yeah.
Wonder if they could handle the Great Southern Ocean.
Yeah. The Russians just drink enough vodka and they don't worry about it.
They don't feel it.
Yeah. You can't freeze alcohol. You've got enough of that in your system. It's like nothing freeze. That never works when I'm out getting fish with my mate. 20 metres after like a band or 120?
I said 20 so that it didn't make you feel a little bit worried, but it's actually about 40. Just be real careful with that loose line, because that's where we'll lose him. Just try and keep a bend in it as much as you can. You're doing great though.
Yeah, no, he's working it nice and slow and steady wins the race, guys.
Exactly. There's no rush, there's no race.
No hard. No hard work.
Well, that's one of the good things about the lighting here too. If he goes for a run, he's less likely to rip that hole into his...
There's less load on everything.
Yeah, exactly, less load everywhere, and hopefully the hook's set nicely, and then it's not something to be too worried about, we hope. I'm changing all my hooks to those trebles.
Yeah.
Because it's just, I feel like I don't have to worry. That big owner treble is just absolutely...
The only issue is you've got to go quality trebles, because some of those
they straighten and they rust. But those owner ones are not cheap. They're about $4 each. Yeah. 20 bucks for a pack of 5.
When you're out this far and you're burning that much energy, time and fuel, you know what we've got.
You put that much effort into coming, so each fish is definitely worth a lot of money. You didn't come here to lose him. he's doing the sideways swim on us.
Yeah.
That means he's getting a bit tired of swimming down. Oh, I saw a flash.
Yeah.
Ah.
Right.
See. Here he comes.
It's a stingray. He's rising like a ray.
Like an eagle.
Like an eagle ray.
Actually, yeah, just give us a little burst of right hand down.
Just tell me where, James.
Yeah, that'll do. He's well disguised. What's that noise? Huh? It's turned off, just leave it off.
Sorry guys. Taking longer than anticipated.
No, mate, that's what we're here for.
Don't rush it, that's the worst thing you can do.
He's been going for about 10 minutes.
Out here, but don't worry about it.
It's about up to 10 minutes.
When you get impatient in that last little bit.
Yeah, there's no rush. I was on a charter in Broome one time.
Yeah.
And we had an awesome time with lots of stuff, GTs and big Spanish Macs and all the rest of it. And the skipper dropped us on this pinnacle and he said, "Oh, drop some jigs down here." So we all did, and I dropped this little light rod that I took with me, with just a little chrome lure, and I hooked up, and it just went wild. And I thought, oh man, it's a big GT. It turned out to be about a 40-kilo shark, a little black tip thing, whatever they are. And it took me nearly an hour to land it, but we all thought it was better fish than what it was.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, when we got it in, everyone's all, "Oh, what the hell, you know, you've really wasted all our time."
Yeah. Well, I remember when I went out to the top there first time, I took Blake here, and the bloke looked at me and goes, "What are you going to do with that, mate?" And I said, "Oh, yeah, it's good quality gear." He goes, "Yeah, I know it is, but what are you going to do with this?" "Oh, have fish, and I like to play the fish." He goes, "Not up here, mate."
A shark will grab it before.
You don't have time to play the fish up here. As soon as you start getting good fish and you get sharks around,
You've just got to, get out of there.
So this is what I want with my little bloke, you know.
Oh, for Harry,
Yeah, light gear like this, so that he has to work it.
Yep. You know what's even though it's an awkward little overhead, that one. It's probably a bit sticky and a bit tired.
Yeah. Is it a charter special?
Nah, it's Abu Garcia or something like that, I think, from memory. Barrel on this gear.
Yeah.
Don't you? I love it when they start doing the tuna circle.
Yeah.
And you see the rod tip just going, doing that dum dum
Every
dum.
tail beat.
Yeah, it's like the tail just.
I can see the lure.
I can see a flash
See
of fish.
leader.
Oh, there he is. Yeah. Do you want to take over the old video camera?
Mm-hmm. By now, mate. He's a little bit better than those other ones, or is he the same? Just making me work my ass off on this heat.
Love it how he's doing the tuna circle.
I'm not liking the fact that
He is a bit bigger. He's a kilo one, I reckon. You know what? This is where we need someone with some jigs just dropping them down.
in case his mate's following him.
Tristan's you been putting the GoPro in under the water as they're coming up?
Yeah, I bought my GoPro too, but I just...
Oh, it's too late to get it out now.
Yeah.
We get another hook up, maybe that's
Yeah.
priority, though. Oh, look at Dylan's rod, man. It was
He's
so
getting to
proud.
work at home.
Almost on the double. It just got wrecked because it's so rain. You got the double in the...
Yeah! That's a solid one.
Now
That's the fish of the day.
Good fight, wasn't it?
That's the fish of the day.
Good job, man. You did an awesome job. And it's a much better fish.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's definitely our fish of the day.
yeah, look at that. And that is my son Dylan's rod and reel. And he said to me, Dad, can you please take it? I want you to go tuna on that rod. And that's Sash's lure that we thought would be a banger. It's had a couple today, isn't it?
Yeah, the little jet head.
And what a good fight there.
Yeah.
By Deor, he did everything right, man.
Well done.
Awesome.
Fish of the day on the lightest tackle.
Yep.